Maintaining a home is a year-round job, so it's a good idea to spread out all of that work into smaller chore lists that you can tackle at the start of every season.
We call it our 4 seasons of homeownership.
And for fall, that list includes things like checking insulation in your attic and crawl spaces.
So you can add more if it's needed to keep you warm as the temperatures drop.
You'll also want to check your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, especially if you have a fireplace.
And you should check for and caulk any gaps or cracks around windows and doors to make sure you seal out those chilly drafts.
And to wrap up the mowing season, you'll want to drain all of the gas out of your mower, tune it up, and then either sharpen or replace the blade.
You can find our list for all of these chores and more ideas for fall at todayshomeowner.com/4 seasons.
So download that list today, and you'll have a fantastic fall at your home.
The 4 Seasons of Home Ownership is brought to you by the Home Depot, how doers get more done, and by Owens Corning.